You're gonna have to step back, honey. They don't want to get that close.
Throw it. You gotta throw it. Throw it.
Okay, now step back towards Daddy. Haley, step back to Daddy.
You gotta throw it, honey.
Ah, she said thank you. Honey, you have to throw it. Throw the cheese and they'll come find it. Throw it, honey. Throw it. She wants to feed it to him. Daddy, show her how you have to throw it.
Haley, watch Daddy. Haley, watch Daddy. Watch Daddy. You gotta throw it. Throw it.
There you go. Good job, Haley.